Dóigh, Thomas Rice. Tá sé déithne seacht. Tá mé lá ar anna agus tá mé tar seach. But aniu tá ag fólam faoi cén dóigh ardú binse a dhéanamh. Na rin mé hain session training aniu, so ní bheith me sé I dhéanamh kg bench aniu. But be mé dul tríd na céimena. Chéilsús cén dóigh setup a dhéanamh, cén dóigh an binse an ardú binse a chéan a dhéanamh, and then cén dóigh ar féidir leat cinneál fiosí, you know, cén dóigh ar féidir leat ardú binse sugad a chhlafa go dtíon cén le all. So, tá seacht le chéilsús. Tá gra John 3 go dtí cúig bumaite ar rothair treadmill rudderby. Just running in this rapid crease go order. Arish. And then the grad jam and rud canna. Like and rud fui train we train on why he only nah it's repetitive, Jana to and rud canna, but like it's continual stuff and everything. So gacker when we Johnny binche, already binche, no ruddigan winche like shoulder press, dumbbell shoulder press or barbell row jam. Dislocations occur there. Current band rotations are here, but dislocations occur there. Lawa, Jirak, Hart, Art, Jirak, Jane Cool, John Jakin Solar, John Jakin and Steve Clay, or Kukin better, and then Kukin and Steve. Yes, so I'm going to on camera, they really know what it was. John Shin, just on the Gaeilge. By the way, see Ephesians like we how to squat, we make our share, we measure let duly either whatever, and then we make fuck I can't remember what the word is for shoulders, it's fucking Gaeilge. Like dirt me Gaeilge and then dirt me knock fragile kidney a young here. Stupid, but anyway. So jam shin and then jam couple of brownies. Jazz Fadlock, carry me, trying my fucking thing though. So, come with the show. Fadlock around Balk Heath, Gath around Balk Hoos, Glack the arm the show, and was just Johnny Chelsea. You get to Jake Kenny on him, one of Freddy lad Brunici on it. Hey, glad, Idiani, Gaeilge, or not Gaeilge. Chinese, oh, that's the shoulders all over again. Chinese. Shit! Come here, do it your knees. Just John Kentcha, go hip suck it, crumbling, not crumbling, fuck off. Hip suck it, knuckle shit hoos, but can you go grim suck it, August hip suck it kind of in Lena, because they're currently 8 hoos, chain the clicking, get you in earlier, and you're not really get the stretch. The Vrollock, so while then can you lean a jerk on your posterior chain. So sure either he's one of Freddy like all hoosh and Clark Lord just go sheets, go fat lock sheets and then reset, but it's very on city on it. So sure John J. Kanaka, no much go away on it because it can be bothered. But John does it. So an act and a woman in a he. Take y'all. She didn't go shop on with it. No, she bumped. Like seeing major here and the gym sheer or just boom me McKeon, it is ridiculous. So John Kenton go benches so good. Alarm bar, Hegel bar out here now, but it's just for OCD purposes. C or Emil and bench because I see him show, I was change sheer. Boom, I'm like near what I'm saying, just good practice. C or Emil, right? Now, bogey man here. Good cheat and Shaw. He made an animal. He was an animal. Sure you suck it. So an action woman's a year in a way and a he na. Jerk, he's squeezing bar na and fine animal shaw na. See Nordy Shaw, Carter J hooks or who? No, hook and a J. Just made that up. My seeing Shaw, right? August one of them bars and J hook, right? August I made you know, bench press on. Jam Hayes. Boom the J hooks, right? Near while and shin. So now to Suya sugging in Lena Lesson bar. Boom. Sus August Neil much come back in the J hooks. Knee higgle and nail either will. She's sus sweet. So shin came like a tree or something. I don't know. Kid Rodell. Well, actually, can you remain short too? Actually, we'll switch it up. We'll go to this side. Yeah, that's nice. So, Kahats Akaramaj are law. Now, time I go to Wowie, Jean Shin, your federal Ayakel. By the way, to Fishan, who's our Instagram sugum, August TikTok. Ik mean you show, but a wad nish gish you. Show like an in-depth version. But anyway, on Rudder Island in Arlawa, na near Wyland Barrack Bam occur in the triceps. Near Wyland Barrack Bam occur in the Vrolach Akanura because Ernoia is he Kenyo exercise done Vrolach and already binse, but Higla Barrack Bam occur or group of Matine wine near Wellington. Rudder Wyland Arthur na Skiahain Ingerak. Dirt my shot Fishan squat sugum Hanahan, but how much Cooliders if Fedulin of a near a Lawa or Skiahain sugit Ingerak because we need the fish all right. Neil to Ladger goes to go Mac and Balakshin. Neil to Ladger goes to go a staff and Balakshin. Near to Lawa sugit and shot was Tori may angle L Dave. To Lawa sugit can you we to wa barrack bam or the vrolch. Bet he wad ni sligge, ni fwasi da mahain agus ni yoi to nis ladger. Yoi but wad nis fadly. Agus the lawa kungrak no the lawa gol stja and val to barrack bam or the triceps. Ni woolly to na and vrolch or Corby. August bet he wad nis ligge because ten vrolach a wad nis mo. I hope vrolach is chest by the way. If it's not, that's what I mean. Tashi wad nis the vrolach got a wad nis mo. Na more triceps so good so bet he wad nis ligge ni fwasi and vrolach blah blah blah. Just shan do it. And do I my lumsa set heil sus. Na bin the gra or binse bin Kenya Lynchy and Shaw. Be gamji heartish. Curm pinky sugum shaw. Arkamer and will lava sugum Kenyal Jirak and will should him we. No one will should steen, no one will should Jirak. Now I can mummish it to make sure go like in Darna Lena. Because it's Mwilum guarantee niece mo ban or Mavrolak but ham bayak. Right? So just be gamji list. Curry may shiv. Egin toos. Egin tossing and shaw. Right, so Faki Shiv and Shaw. So Celia, Lawa, and Shaw. Now it's a chance I'm gonna make get the book team way, but Core gonna make Hummer or Custle Shaw. Right? So she's my Faki Shiv and Ish to Lawa Sugum Jirk Ingarak. Ta should have go his. Neil should have go. And we August Neil should have go a stick. Now is Kenyo is Fedra no Ruddy Shanani Gahara and Can Kungra because like Jan and Dini Shin few like skull crushers being loud sucky Kungra because currently could we're bam on our triceps but done already binse near wild and shit. Okay? Kajan kid came out packing the shoulder. So Curry mate and Shinte. Look at more damage. How much we're wet. Get the bugger here, worm. Not bad. Right, anyway, I should carry my heels in. There we go. Right. Bunny man binse and we get the book. So, Mona will show you fear not, you are now saved. The gra agus dini Johnny binse, so just carry Gaeilge go main leashes, right? John said binse socket, it was brune should see us, can you shrug. Shin and I to mean Gordion, just straight up. That's where you fuck up your shoulders. Have you a wad knee salvature, nor down to pack. So when do I down to shin? Now, sus, sheer, shees. Because tattoo a wad knee slider and shaw, no more tattoo and shin. Because that's just knee snatter. So John pack on her shoulders. So chain which he's. Alright, go down there. Same which Emma binse. The will which are clicking. Julia in Lena listen bar. Lawa and Shaw. And then pack. We go and pack the shoulders in. And then total much. Right? Now, and after the gym is piece. Germ le cud war the dhéanamh train along. Now, go kinda hike where your ribs meet. Like can you an actual the diaphragm, right? Because never tattoo in shin to allow a sugat ingrak. Now, August to can you these more aspers okay? Heglath will get the bug these arja, can you nipple line type, but August to tushak go diaphragm. Right? So Syria, Lawa, pack my shoulders, toe, see, also more fragile ankles, camera, Johnny McKinson, goal shot on the other. Wrist sugum, tashit kneel, knuckle sugum, igork arm, tashit ark or G. Okay? Jerry Chris, pack, sheets, boom. Johnny McShack, actually, I'm watching our camera, she don't grow. The sharing camera, or dóigh. Now, to my goal kind of way, I'm going to talk about the family. No. My goal kind of way, hello. Ken dóigh or Federlin Forbridge. Now, Rud German the dhéanamh train alum, now get rid of your ego. I don't actually say this to anyone who watches my videos online, but Rud cordia rado if na law na get rid of your ego. How much a Gaeilge Forbridge show. Your ego's just gonna fuck it up, right? So August was a trainer. Masca go ní sédrum, go ní sédrum. Like Bagra lumsa kg bench, not the fucking brag, but I used to do 100 kg bench. But Daihan may grow rap sugum shit. August new may cool ledger or he me like be my garber me and I went, I don't really look like I can bench 100 kg. If you don't look like it, then you probably can't really. Like run me it's given up to fish and I'm dog because run shaw rap sugum run me gacha. August the main shaw. We shaw hiss and then boom hiss. Round rag and you want to make gar raps and want to hit 100 kg, but I didn't hit chest. So and far while into Vrlock a woolly now and major small stretch of one shouldn't major small forward lesson yard August lesson mage like Neil comprehend on knee fager and mage forward Gianni gan and stretching a gumbridge lesh like ni hugging back them occur shot Kai he Fadlock or Umbrella Sheesh, running in the Ranium time or tangent. August niche mode now within reason. The Raremar Ardian and Mage, Old Yanni, and Ardi Binse, be niche mode forward. So, Majanum Jake Rap, right? arcum seo. Agus, is it close to shot? Boom, 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 right? There's your hand go gas station, but during the joculum, mahan nis truma ayani go gasta na marca solo shot. Right? Agus, in shot. Fadlak, fadlak, fadlak. Boom. Shush. Now. An am sin a ghlacan sé go hís be a wad níos mó tuirse but be forbert agus meri mór an wad níos mó na mar bhéad gan an Kenneal luas sin a go hís. We're my drama ra, by the way. But while in Arshibog at our rim and far while in shin na actually Janet Chinese ledger who funny enough to part of the technique it's on Janet Chinese ledger who Neil Sugden can't but it just does. But Rudella Janet Shay na Ardian Shay August Kenneal stretches your brullock August Arish more stretch he's far but while in and stretching. So Sherman is healthy, August to train binse. Get ready to go. Go fadlak. Tossi Gaeilge. Ní gaith go trum leis Kenneal leis ardú binse. What do Geary forward progressive overload during Tossi le I mean noia jam binse or wine shot, right? It's just a gimme. Kaiti shin Jam Badger Triggy Cahar sat or the Vrollock and Shockton. So wanted to do Johnny full body. John Canawine or Guy Canarlin, Canawine or Katie, Canawine or Anya, and then rest day, whatever. August in ye Tamil either Ardy Higlat Tree Road Ardy. Higlat na Sats Ardy, Higlat na Raps with Ardy. No Higlad and Mahan Ardy. Now I know it was going a year and Mahan Ardy, so shouldn't run yanam lem the Sedini main train along because she was these fossa Kenneal track yan. But my to degree sat like her lesh to Shane Clark lore, being Kim Jeranak a wad niche jacra, but shouldn't a while. Raps, Matt how much trainal the Nyart. But while like pure optimal, Triggy GQ grip. Just Ardy and Mahan, not Ardy and Raps, right? Matamagical Kenneal hypertrophy as in mage. Kahi to 10 Kenneal range of wide nice mode than hypertrophy. So she it's either Shay G Traha Achani, which is Raps. About the wine, away to wine. Tá sé mar, so higglad either sé go dtí trotha dhéanamh agus ní bheith mór an deifeáil. But seach an bhain ma dhéanamh tú Jake Rap, John Eric dóigh chena dhéanamh and cé teach an al. Sin an dóigh deach le sin dhéanamh. But sin an dóigh is fosa forbert dhéanamh or ardú binse. Yeah, sin much. Johnny my chef for last time. More to be the wrong. Out of breath, traction push, right ahead, blah blah blah, yeah. As long as you go. So, Kermichael Vash and Fishan as very Gawker and Fishan show. But I'm salted as I say the Yanni actually. It's just nice to have a friend. But Kermichael as Gawker, Machoji Meilat, Kernildi, Machal May Rodigan, Kernildi Kamwai, from my Goni Sas to Fulham. But it's not possible because I know everything. And Bull Lan or subscribe because this is going on YouTube. August Bull like Lan Mo Lahni, all that shit. Make me famous, make me rich, please. Gurmaga Fas Ark, Baha Lesson Gaeilge, August Chuck Airla and all that stuff. Slam.